Right. So now, today the session is going to completely focus on the Miller indices, how to draw the Miller planes. Okay, as we discussed last time, I want you to draw it. Okay, the first activity is draw 100 plane. So you have to show me all of you. I cannot see all of you. I want to see all. Video. Turn on your video. Anjappa, everybody should turn on your video. I want to see the activity. Vani, Vishnuvardhan, Shailaja, Rajeshwari, Ramesh. Everybody should draw it and you have to show your page. Yes, sir, 100. This is the plane. So I'll share you like, you can take axis first. Which axis you are taking? The easiest way, I mean, you can do anything. Right, like let me show you basic stuff. Okay, I'll just show you the how to uh, okay. Here I'll just draw this. What is I can let me okay. So let me draw cube actually. Then extend like this. First to draw cubes, then we can draw whatever plane.
Sir, 001.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Yeah, a plane. I want to see the problem is I want to see your drawing. I mean, the plane how you draw that 100. Each one you should show me. This is the one possible. You can take this is the y-axis for easy. Most of the books they mention like this, so it's better to compare x. So x, y, z. So keep it like this. So now we can go one by one. So first you draw it 100. So let me change the color. First we go for 100. So 100 is our plane. Plane means we don't keep actually square bracket, right? Direction only will keep the square bracket. So 1001 is the first homework, first activity. So who did this one? Can I see? How do we? So now x is 1, right? X is 1. So let me show 1. X is 1 here. So this is the x-axis, right? So you should this is a you have to keep this complete one is 100 plane. You can draw it. This entire thing is 100 plane. I just shown you how to draw this 10. So you can also, I mean, make it completely dark or whatever, right? So this is my, what is that? 100. So this is done. So now next I'm going to give for you 001. Same plane. Second question is, sorry. Second one is 0 1 0. Third one is 0 0 1. So these are the question. First you have to complete it. Show me. Oh, who this guy? Someone showing me. Raghavendra. Okay. Who is Ramavat Linga Nayak? Can I see your 010? Ramavat. Okay, 010. Someone did 010. Yes, this is correct. 010, this is correct. Yes. Who did Shailaja? Correct. Shailaja is correct. 010, right? 010, 100 correct. Yes, Shailaja correct. 100 Shailaja correct. Then 101, 101. Shailaja 101 you didn't show me. Here, okay. Let me. You can also. Yeah, 010 and 1. Okay. Oh no. We will finish this one. Yes. You. So next fourth one is I'm gonna give 110. You try all this. Will fifth one 101. Sixth one 110. This is 110 101 011. Yeah, 6 planes are there. Oh, today it seems like many members. Very good.
101. Sir.
All of you completed first one, second one, 010.
Sir, see this.
010.
First one is over, second one. Can I see you? Anyone has a doubt, actually tell me. I can see most of you are doing good job. 010, yes. Shailaja correct. Ramavat Linga Nayak still doing.
Yes, sir.
Then
Completed, sir.
completed. Yeah, 010.
Yes, sir. 010.
Okay, yes. Y is 1, correct. Linga Nayak correct. Banu?
101.
Madam. Good morning, madam. I'm in the class, madam. It's okay. It's okay, madam. వచ్చింది మేడం. I sent to the Yadagiri sir just now. Actually ఆ రోజు లాస్ట్ పేజ్ లో ఉంది మేడం. లేదు అందులోనే లాస్ట్ పేజ్ ఉంది మేడం. ఆ రోజు పంపించిన దాంట్లోనే లాస్ట్ పేజ్. షూర్ మేడం. ఓకే మేడం. సరే మేడం. ఓకే మేడం. రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Right. So yeah, so I can see Banu is not showing, but Raghavendra I can see is showing that yes, Raghavendra I can see correct. Yeah, Raghavendra is correct. How about others? Banu, Ramesh, you are not showing that. Raghavendra, Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh. Yeah, I can see you, Ramesh. Vishnuvardhan, I can see you. Right. Vishnuvardhan, I can see you.
Thank you.
Right. Good.
Okay, sir.
Anusha, can I
Sir,
see?
110 doubt, sir.
Who? Who has a doubt?
Sir, me Raghavendra.
Raghavendra, 110. You have a doubt?
Yes, sir.
110. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I'll explain. Naveen, I think you can take attendance. 40 students almost like it. Now 2 more adding, 39. You can, I think they want to participate activity. Very good. But I want to see every day like that. So
101, sir.
I'm sorry?
101 diagram.
101.
1.
So you want to 10.
Sir, I want 110.
One, right? You want fifth one, right? 1 0.
Sir, first class I heard from middle, sir. That's why I can't understand.
Okay. Okay. I'll show you. 1 0 1. So x is 1, right? Can I draw here only? Let me check it. 1 is x, right? Z is actually also 1, right? So x is 1 1 0 1. So x is 1, that is correct. Z is 1, I can write. So you can meet these 2 points first. You can connect them. Straightly you can do it. The other one, this is parallel to the, so you can connect this one also, right? This one also you can, here also. So what you can think about it, this is also x-axis, right? You can think about this is also x-axis, but you connect these two. Let me explain this. So 1 0 1, right? Raghavendra? So
Yes, sir.
I'm writing here x1, z1, right? So again I am writing here, you can just simply place a point here, and you can also parallel, you can keep point here, connect both of them, and this is the plane actually. Is it clear, Raghavendra? Do you have any doubt or any query?
Sir, I asked 110, sir.
You ask 1 1.
0, sir.
Oh, fourth one you are asking.
Yes, sir.
1 1 0 you want to ask. Okay, so 1 1 0 should be, let me draw again another one. I can't show you. So I'll go for square.
110 reverse.
Oh, you are showing? Someone is showing.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it, but let me.
Oh, sir.
Right. Everybody should learn it, not one person. Naveen, you can take attendance. Did you take it? Yes, తీసుకో ప్లీజ్. మనకు పంపించాలి బోర్డుకి, నేమ్స్ అన్ని పోవాలి, వీళ్ళు మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జామ్కి ఎలిజిబిలిటీ రాదు. Why?
110 sir. Diagram.
Yeah. First, okay, Z. So he's asking 1 1 0. You are asking 1 1 0. So x is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Let x
Yes,
is
sir.
1. Here I can keep it.
Okay.
Y is also y is
1.
also 1, right? Is it okay? Can I keep like this? X is 1, y is 1. You connect these 2 points.
Yes, sir. I can.
Then other should be, so x is 1 means you can also write here x is, this is also x is 1. And this is also,
Okay.
we have to connect these two. So now this is actually plane represent. Very easy, but
Okay.
just practice needed. 1 1 0. Oh, again left many people. They are coming for attendance. Okay. Is it clear, Raghavendra?
Yes, sir.
How about one? I think most of you know that 0 1 1. How about this sixth one?
Okay sir, we will try.
I want to see that. I will try. Very
0
good.
1.
But I want to see that
Okay.
in front of me only.
So we'll
Can you tell me where I should keep it? Can anyone suggest me actually what I should do? I'll what I can go for this color. Okay, what I should do? 0 1 1, right? You are asking? No, yeah, 0 1 1, right? So x is actually 0, right? So
Yes, sir.
y1 z1, y1 z1. No. Let me draw this. You are drawing better than me. I'm not so much expert in drawing, but with mouse kind of tough actually. That's the problem.
Yes.
Sir,
You got it? Yes, correct. Who is this guy? Oh yeah, Ramavat Linganayak, correct. Yes, correct. Linganayak, I think everyone can see, right? He's drawing. No? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
guys. So simply, so this is a y and a x, z. So we need to write 0, 1, 1, right? So x is 0, y is 1, z is 1. So you can connect these two, right? And this is also, you should connect it basically, parallel. So this is the plane represent 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, I'm in the class. Yeah, I know. Can I call you back, sir? I'm in the class. Right, good, right. Thank you, sir. Right. Yes. So why guys are leaving and joining? Once you join, you should listen complete class. Any doubt? Yeah, Rama, I can see you. I think Linganayak understood very well. Others, I want to see how you guys. Raghavendra is fine. I think Mahesh doing very good. Yes. How about others? Let me see others. Banu is not doing. I think he's just sitting for nothing. I don't know. But how about others? Others I cannot see. What's problem? Is there any my issue? I can see everybody, right? I kept in the. Others I cannot see. I can change it, right? So what happened? Vani, you are not showing. Others you are not even showing their data. Srikinder, yes, Sikinder is fine. Okay, Vani, you should show that. Yes. Ramesh is fine. Drawing Ramesh, okay, very good. Raghavendra is fine. But others still, I think they don't want to show me. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. I think you guys got it. Most of you understand what I am trying to explain. Okay.
So after connecting one, how these two lines, sir?
How about? I'm sorry. Tell me.
0, 1, 1 is there, no, sir. After connecting y-axis, z-axis,
0.
1, 1, sir.
0, 1, 1. So yes, 0, 1, 1 is
First
what?
y,
X is
y is 1, z is 1.
yes. I am
Connected,
keeping
no, sir.
along
After,
X axis. Yes. Let me. Along
after
Y
that, how
axis.
can you take, sir?
Okay. Along Y axis, I am placing here, right? This is the 1 unit from the origin, right? Is it 1 unit from origin? This is the origin, our origin. From here to here, 1 unit, right?
Okay.
From here to here also, Z also 1 unit, right?
Okay.
That's
Okay.
fine. So the next is what? So you have to exactly draw the parallel lines to this. So you connect these two first, and you need to look the parallel line. Can you draw this side? No, you can't draw the other side. So this is the only one option you can draw the parallel lines. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So these are all parallel. So now you can connect them, and this represents 0, 1, 1. And how about 0, 1, 1? You see, easy, right? Everybody knows this, right? 1, 1. Can anyone show that 1, 1? 1, 1 is, you just need to connect all three, right? 1, 1. 111. Yes, Ramesh. Yes, you're doing good. Very good. Ramavat Linga Nayak. Doing very good. Yes. Like that you have to draw. In front of me, if you draw it, so I can see how you're drawing. Raghavendra is doing okay.
Sir, how to connect it?
I can also see in the phone so that I can see you all. I don't know why my laptop is not showing everybody.
Okay, so like this only, sir.
111, 111. 111, yeah, I can see you. Most of Raghavendra completed. Sri Kadar, yeah, I think you guys understood. Now,
Completed, sir.
yes, I can see that your participants. Let me check it. Yeah, most of see many are not showing that. I mean, they just they're not showing. They are not even video mode. They're not showing. I can see you clearly here. What happened? I don't understand. Anyway, I'm going to give the attendance those who are showing homework. Okay, so you have to show it. And anyway, I take attendance. Naveen, we can see now how many participants are there. 37, right? Yeah, Shailaja is showing okay. And now we are going to move minus bar. How do we draw this another one? What do you call it? This you have to show, guys. If you don't show, I'm not going to give attendance. Yes, doing very well. But others, I can see only 7, 8 members. Venkatesh just now he started. Katavad Venkatesh. Many are there. Out of 39, okay, I can see only 10 members. Okay. Anyway, let me move on to the whiteboard. So, okay. So let me clear our whiteboard. Right. So now I want you to draw one bar. One bar. No, not even this one. Yeah. Can anyone draw this guy? One. Oh, I want to clean my neatly. I want to write it. First one is 1 0 0, but there is a bar here. Okay. Okay. Madam. ఆల్రెడీ సార్ పంపించాను కదా యాదగిరి సార్కి. ఓకే ఓకే సరే సరే మీ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి దేనికి మేడం ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి? ఓకే ఓకే ఇట్స్ ఓకే మేడం. ఒక్కసారి మేడం క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాయి కదా తొందరగా నాకు ఒక్కరిని పంపి. ఓకే రైట్ మేడం రైట్. ఓకే మేడం రైట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. రైట్. So can anyone draw this one? Second one.
Sir, I don't know how to do.
0
Bar means
bar 0. Do you anyone knows this bar meaning?
no, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Really? Huh?
Minus
Sir,
1.
not 1 by 1,
Yes,
that
yes,
one.
well, -1. I want to see these graphs now. I want to see these drawings now. And after this, we are going to go like, 2 0 0. 2 0 0. Then 0 2 0. Okay. Then 0 0 2. So I want to see all this stuff now. Let's see how many of you are ready. Can anyone at least show? I want to see your talent. Draw beta. I have something to send now. Can anyone draw it? This is your homework. You have to make it. I want to see all this stuff tomorrow. I mean, today I can see. I want to see. At least do one from here. Do one from the bars, one from the this one. Someone is drawing. Naveen, did you take attendance?
Sir, tell one problem, sir. One bar. I don't know.
You're not getting? What is the minus? Just exactly opposite of that axis. Wherever you are drawing, just exactly opposite. You have to think it. If I show you everything, you don't get ideas. How can we draw? You should think about it. Negative values are there. How can we show it? How can we show? That's a very easy. But
Here,
just
sir.
see. Let me give one example. Then maybe you may be doing. Let me show you 0, 1, 0 beta. Can I show you 1?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good. I can draw a rough diagram, but I'll try it. Maybe you're drawing better than me. I know that, but I cannot draw with the help of mouse. Come on. Not so great, but not so great. But anyway, it's kind of to get idea y, x, z. So you just get, first you think about 0, 1, 0. What is the 0, 1, 0? Tell me. You know this one, right? 0, 1, 0. So this is the one, right? Y. So simply this is the, what is the 0, 0, 1, 0. Completely opposite to this plane beta. Completely opposite to this plane is actually this one. So this represent 0, 1 bar, 0. Is it clear? Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Shaileja?
Sir,
Okay, just opposite to that you draw before. Whatever the
Okay, sir. Okay.
plane, just quite opposite of that plane. So do it same thing for the other one. And I want to show other one, this 2, 0, 0 also. How do we draw 2, 0, 0? Tell me. How we got this 2, 0, 0 actually, Miller indices. To be frank, beta, you need to go back the method that we got it Miller indices. First we took it, what we did, tell me, intercept we took it, right? So go for this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 first one, 1 by 0, 1 by 0. So what we are going to get, tell me? This one, first one, what are you going to get? 1 by 2 means how much? 0.5, right? Naveen? 1 by 2 means what? What is the value of 1 by 2?
0.5.
0.5.
Very good. And what about 1 by 0?
Infinity.
Very
Infinity.
good. So you need to draw this actually. How do we draw this one? So before it was 1 0 0 means 1 infinity infinity. It was there. It was actually 1 infinity infinity. But now it become 1 become a 0.5. So if I want to draw this 1 0 okay 2 0 0, which plane I can go per year from this figure? Can I choose this one? Okay, no, this one. Maybe this blue color. So 0.5 along the y-axis, x-axis, right? So I can fix it this one only, not off. This entire thing is 1. I want to mark it off. Okay. So then
Okay.
here also off. Up also off. You should connect them this. Okay. Then here also off. Then what should I do? You should, this is the one you have to connect. This is the plane which we are looking. Okay, half of the big one. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
You can do it, say similar method for others also. You can complete tomorrow, show me all this, and tomorrow we're going to complete the first chapter. We are going to keep the tomorrow. I'm going to explain the tomorrow X-ray diffraction. Then one exam day after tomorrow should be, maybe I can give 2 days break for the exam. You can prepare all the, I know,
Okay.
all the slides that we completed, all the syllabus for the first chapter. Okay. Can you take attendance, Naveen? Now more less than 1 minute time is there. Okay. Can you take attendance, please, and send me back? Okay. So now 37 members, you can take attendance and send it back me. Okay. Okay, Nana, all the best. Just practice more and more to get, to draw easily any Miller indices that they give. So do it well. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you. I think Ramesh is doing very good. Raghavendra is doing very good. Mahesh, very nice. You guys are doing very good. Yes, keep doing, keep rocking. Raghavendra, very nice. Do well.